Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. My name is Britt, and today we're going to be doing a fun Star Wars mani using the new collection from Kande Dips. For my mani today, I'm going to be using this trio that is inspired by R2-D2, and the ring is also included in this collection as an option to buy. So the first color I'm going to be using is the Droid, which is this beautiful blue. We'll be using Silver Shimmer and a glitter called R2. And I'll be working on some medium coffin tips, and we will be using all candy liquids for this mani. So while we get started on, dipping into this mani and creating it, I figured I would tell you a little bit about the collection. So it is called the May the 4th collection. So for those of you who are Star Wars fans, you know that May 4th is known as May the 4th Be With You Day. So this collection is perfect for May 4th coming up, and it will be available this Friday, April 11th at 7 p.m. EST. And I will put the link up on the screen and in the description below. That'll be at candedips.etsy.com. And you can use my code BRIT15 to save 15% off at checkout. So, of course, this collection will be available to purchase as a whole. You can purchase individual colors, and then usually the owner of Kande will do you can buy just all the new ones, or a set of 6, or a set of 10, whatever you want to do. You'll just check the listing, and she will have options there for you. And there will also be a mini bundle available, which you'll pick 3 dips and then a ring of your choice. So there will be 3 rings available, and I showed the first ring, which is an R2-D2 ring, and then the other 2 rings look like lightsabers. One's red and one is blue. I'll pop a picture up on the screen here. This is not my mani. This is one of the other ambassadors for Kande Dips, but she showed the rings off beautifully, so I will pop a little screenshot of just like where she had her ring on there. So in this collection, there are 16 total dips plus 2 chromes. We have 13 new dips. And the old dips are a brown, a black, and silver shimmer, plus the silver and gold chromes. So if you have those already, you might not need them for this collection, but there are 13 new beautiful dips for you to get your hands on. There are a mix of new glitters, solids, and there's even a thermal, and there are 3 glow dips, which are really cool. There's one that's red, one blue, and one green. So they look like the different colors of the lightsabers, and they glow the exact same colors. So they are amazing for lightsaber inspired manis if you want to go that way. Also, if you have like a favorite character, there's one for Yoda, there's one for Chewie, there's R2, there's C3PO, there's stormtroopers, there's the dark side if you're a little on the dark side. So there's something for everyone in this set. No matter which side of the force you're on, I think you're going to find some dips that you will really love. So you can see we're finishing up layer 2 here on all of the nails, and these colors go together so beautifully. The blue glitters go so well with that blue solid, and the silvers, it just really pops for me, and I love how this mani is coming together so far. The glitters lay down really well. The solids lay down so smoothly, super pigmented. And again, this is only 2 coats of each of these dips. So you're not going to have very much bulk on your nails, and everything should lay like really smoothly. So that's always a plus when working with dips. Kande's dips are always like that, so no surprise there. And then we're going to get into a little bit of nail art. I thought it would be fun to kind of replicate that design on the top of the ring there on this blue nail. So I'm going to take the silver glitter that is the R2 dip, and I'm going to start placing these in that pattern. So I'm going to put a bigger one in the center, and then I'm going to use the smaller glitters to create like a cross in the middle. And then I'll also take those glitters in an X shape as well. So we will end up having like a full nail design of this like crisscross that replicates like the pattern on the top of the ring for R2. So I'm showing you slowly here how I'm doing this. I put a layer of dip base down, and I'm just dabbing my little water marbling tool into the wet liquid, and I'm just picking up the glitters and placing them where I need them, kind of moving them around as I need to. What's great about these dip liquids, again, is that they are slow drying because they're sensitive liquids, so you have a ton of time to play around with cool glitter placements like this. And if you're interested, I will link this water marbling tool in the description below as well. I got it on Amazon. And I'm going to speed through the rest of this process because it's kind of tedious. So I'm going to let you watch me like fast track through placing the rest of these itty bitty little glitters, and then I will be back in just a second. Okay, and now that all of those tiny little pieces of glitter are placed, we are going to go in with our activator next. So I'm using Kande Dips activator, and I'm going to put a layer down on each nail. I am not encapsulating these in clear because I'm going to use our gel base and our gel top for encapsulation in this mani. That's my preferred method to just decrease bulk and also minimize filing. I like to just go in with my activator, do the press down method to get everything to lay super flat, and then I will go in with gel base and gel top, and they kind of encapsulate everything beautifully, so I don't have to do a whole lot of shaping or filing when I do this method. So you see I'm putting down a layer of activator, I'm letting it dry a little bit, and then I'm pressing those glitters down to get them to lay nice and flat. And usually you only have to wait like a couple seconds before you can go in and start tapping, but also don't touch liquids with your bare hands. Use like a little finger caught, a glove, something. And my nail so rudely decided to yeet itself across the table. I actually did that a couple times off camera. I actually cut that out because that nail wanted to fight me. And now that those are activated, I'm going to go in with a layer of gel base and gel top. And this gel base and gel top is, again, from Kande. And they are perfect gel base and gel top combo because they are on the thicker side. They self-level beautifully, and they are so glossy and hard when they're cured. I absolutely love these gels. If you try anything from Kande Dips, if I can sell you on anything, it will be these gel liquids. I love them so much. I have backup bottles and I keep them on stock because I use them for pretty much every single mani. I have not found anything that I love more than these gel liquids. So to finish off this mani, we're going to go in with a layer of gel top coat. This will also go in for 60 seconds. I don't think I said before, but the base goes in for 60 seconds as well. And before I end this video, I have to share that my husband and I are huge Star Wars fans. And for our first wedding anniversary, I had a special picture done for my husband of our dog as a Jedi. So I'm going to put that up on the screen here of my dog in his little Jedi outfit with his green lightsaber. And every time I see this picture, it makes me giggle so much. I have like copies of it on my phone. I share it with everybody, and we have it hung up in our basement with some of our other Star Wars collectibles and things that we have. But I thought you guys would enjoy seeing my dog Cooper dressed up as a Jedi. It tickles me in ways I can't explain. It's hilarious. And now that those are done, here is our completed mani. This is our R2-D2 inspired Star Wars mani from the new Kande Dips May the 4th collection that comes out this Friday, April 11th at 7 p.m. EST. And don't forget you can use Brit15 to save 15% off at checkout. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for more videos like this. Bye guys!